Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most jurisdictions in the country operate a cash bail system, in which the court determines an amount of money that a person has to pay in order to secure their release from detention. The cash amount serves as collateral to ensure that the defendant appears in court for their trial. 16 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
In 2018, former Governor Jerry Brown signed a law to eliminate cash bail, replacing it with a new pretrial risk assessment similar to federal courts. Their principal objection was the way the algorithms defined risk. 22 October 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.